Hi, if you're seeing these solutions on YouTube, click on the description below, take these as a test and then check out the solutions for free.
Find x in the given figure below if P is parallel to Q. P is parallel to Q. So P and Q are parallel. We know that if we have two parallel lines and we have a transversal cutting across them in some way, then we are good to go. We have a bunch of angle properties. However, here we do not have a transversal cutting across. And we don't have a transversal cutting across throughout here. So that's trouble. So how do we then simplify this question? So this becomes tricky. So what do? We can either extend this line to make it a complete transversal cutting, or what is better still, we can draw a line through here, R, which is parallel to P and Q. P parallel to Q, parallel to R. And wonderful. Now that we have got this, if you had not got this idea, this question might have been tricky. Now that you have got it, try to answer this question. And I'm going to name some points. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, there's a D here somewhere, there's an E here somewhere, and F here somewhere. So find angle ACD, find angle BCD, then find X. Fine, so that's the approach here. How do we find ACD? This angle is 60. ACD should be 120. How so? We have line P parallel to line R. This is P, this is R. AC is a transversal. These two are parallel lines. AC is a transversal. If this is 60, it should be 120 because they are co-interior angles. They should be supplementary. Same idea, this side. Wonderful question. This is 65. So this should be 180 minus 65, which is 115 degrees. Fine. So we have found ACD is 120 degrees. BCD is 115 degrees. How do we find angle ACB? Think about it. Around point C, this is A, B, D. This is point C. This is 120. This is 115. What is this? Around a point, the total angle should be 360 degrees. So 120 plus 115 plus X equals 360 degrees. This 235 plus X equals 360 degrees. Or X equals 360 minus 235, which is 125 degrees. This is the answer we are looking for. There's yet another method of doing this. Again, a nice simple method. We've drawn this R parallel to P and Q. I've deliberately drawn it this side. You could have easily drawn it throughout. So we can find this angle and this angle. That's the easier method. I wanted to do it by the tougher method to see that we can get to the answer in many ways. So easier method, try that. You can find this angle and this angle. So try that and solve by that second method also.